Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Power Spring, a medication with sildenafil that is widely used to treat erectile dysfunction, also known as impotence. Power Spring is an effective treatment for men who have trouble getting or maintaining an erection. It can also be used in other cases, as long as it is recommended by a doctor. For example, for pulmonary arterial hypertension. And how does it work? Well, Power Spring relaxes the muscles and increases blood flow to specific areas of the body, especially the penis. This helps to achieve and maintain an erection during sexual activity. Now let's talk about the dosage and how to take it. It is very important to follow your doctor's instructions, but generally the starting dose is 50 milligrams. It is taken approximately 1 hour before sexual activity. Watch out, do not take more than 1 dose per day and avoid very fatty meals or excessive alcohol, as they can delay the effect of the medication. Like all medications, Power Spring can have side effects. The most common are headaches, indigestion, and facial flushing. In rare cases, it can cause blurred vision or hearing loss. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, consult your doctor immediately. To sum up, Power Spring is a good option to treat erectile dysfunction, but it is essential to use it correctly and under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Always follow your doctor's instructions and do not hesitate to ask if you have any questions. I hope this information has been helpful to you. I invite you to subscribe for more content about health and wellness. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.